In a world full of rice varieties, there's one that stands out. One that can transform your health to the next level. No, I'm not talking about white, brown, or boiled rice. I am talking about a hero in disguise, the red rice. Red rice is a nutrient-dense whole grain rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. It's also a versatile low-fat and low-sodium option, offering more natural goodness than white rice. Incorporate red rice to boost nutrition and add variety to your meals. Here are 10 amazing benefits. Number 1. Packed with antioxidants, red rice becomes your shield protecting your body from the wrath of free radicals. Number 2. It's a heart best friend as it lowers cholesterol levels and defends your cardiovascular health. Number 3. It is fiber-rich wonder, promotes healthy digestion and keeps constipation at bay. Number 4. For those chasing their dreams, red rice fuels your passion, providing sustained energy with its complex carbohydrates. Number 5. Red rice showcases its power with potent antioxidants that may help prevent the growth of harmful cancerous cells. Number 6. Red rice is rich in minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, which are essential for maintaining healthy bones. Number 7. The antioxidant found in rice may help reduce inflammation in the body, which can prevent chronic diseases. Number 8. Red rice contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6 and iron that are important for brain function and may help improve cognitive function. Number 9. Red rice is a game changer for blood sugar control, boasting a low glycemic index and offering balance for individuals with diabetes. Number 10. Finally, red rice is a low-calorie food that can help you feel full for longer, making it a great addition to any weight loss plan. Share it with your friends who want to start their health journey and save this reel for your future reference. Bye-bye.